Hello everybody, this is Game W, and we are doing another video in Clash of Clans. And this is just my base. But what we're talking about is this boat over here. And there's been a lot of confusion going on in this boat here. Well, it is just a broken boat, but the next update is going to be coming up, and that's why this mysterious boat is here. Where did this boat come from? See, it says nothing. It says nothing about the boat. What was the next update? If you go and find out, comes up a YouTube video. This is talking about how they get over there, and there's a boat. Well, this is going to be part of the next update. So yeah.
Why don't we just use that boat?
Discover what lies behind. Update coming soon, Clash of Clans. See, it's the new update. See how you guys have been confused? That's exact. So, put back in Clash of Clans. So yeah guys, that is because next update do with that boat. Oh, and in the last video I did not have wizards. Well, I have wizards now. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video on King Griffin. Bye guys! Hi, goodbye!